Hello guys, so this is how to change your SoundCloud username. So first thing you're gonna need to do is open up SoundCloud, the application. And then if you look at the bottom, you're gonna find different pages. So the home, the feed, search, the library, and if you want to upgrade your SoundCloud. So where you're gonna need to go is the library, and this is gonna show you your profile. So if you look at the left side of your profile, you're going to find this edit icon. So you need to click on that. And here you can change all the different information that you have on your profile. So the first thing you're going to look at is display name. So this is the name that you have on iCloud. So let's say I want to change my name from Omar Sufi to Omar Syed. And then I will need to click save at the top right. And yeah, if I look at my profile right now, it says Omar Syed instead of Omar Sufi. And yeah, this is how easy it is. This is how to change your username on SoundCloud.